Yo, what's up mga kapatid? Welcome back to our 5th day.
What's up?
Yeah, babalik lang namin galing sa Husky Ride. Sobrang saya. Nakikita ko sa inyo mamaya yung footage. At ngayon, balik kami sa snowboarding. So, pakit lang sa taas.
Beautiful weather.
Huh? What?
Beautiful weather.
Yes. Ang ganda ng weather ngayon. Litaw yung araw. Kitang-kita yung view. So, ayun, pakita ko sa inyo yung footage ng Husky. What's up, doggy? You tired? Hold on. Hi, chocolate. Wow, what a nice eyes, huh?
Better. Yeah. Oh.
Why are you shaking?
Wait, can you take a picture?
Yeah.
Oh. Beautiful.
She's happy.
She said she has two different eyes. One blue, one.
Yeah, it's quite normal, quite common.
So, yun guys, sana na-enjoy nyo yung panonood ng Husky Ride. Sobrang sarap. Tsaka ang cute ng mga aso nila. Ngayon, nag-break kami. Kakain kami ng pizza. And, o nga pala, yung 4 days, hindi ko siya na-vlog kasi sobrang lakas ng hangin sa taas, saka hindi nyo ako maririnig. Trinay ko pero sobrang lakas talaga ng hangin, hindi ko marinig yung boses ko. So yun, parang i-combine ko na lang siya rito sa 5 days. Bali 4 days, 5 days, isang vlog na lang. So yun, kain muna kami pizza. Yun, pizza is arrived guys. Where's the...
Reindeer.
This is the reindeer. Salmon.
Chanterelle, whatever it is.
It's mushroom.
And
Cheese.
Cheese, sticky cheese.
Enjoy! Hello guys! Yan, picture kami sa magandang sunset. Tingnan nyo. So beautiful. Like this, maganda.
Maganda.
Sobrang ganda guys. Sa snowboard. Sobrang ganda ng weather today. Hindi siya walang snow.
What the fuck?
Medyo mahangin nga lang. Hey! That's masterpiece. Baba na kami. See you again later. Break time. We're having good wine. Look at this, guys. This is what I want. Sup? Dito kami ngayon sa Park Place. Dito pwede kang magdala ng pagkain mo para lutuin dito. Like sausage or mushroom. Pwede ka rin sumayaw.
Ngunit nalulunod sa iyong mga ngiti. At kung hanggang dito lang talaga tayo, hindi pababayaan ang daan, di na kakapiling ka. Ngunit nalulunod sa iyong mga ngiti. At kung hanggang dito lang talaga tayo.
Hello, mga kapatid.
What the fuck?
Mga kapatid.
Mga kapatid, kamusta? Mabuti. We are very tired.
Katatapos lang namin mag-snowboard. So, pahinga na kami ngayon sa kwarto.
We had a very good day.
Yeah, so nice. Husky, snowboard, nice weather,
Pizza.
pizza, sa baba ng
Pizza, the
slope.
most important.
Yeah, mag-alas 6 na, pero di pa kami gutom. And we're gonna have dinner later. I don't know what time. 7?
Later.
7 or 8, maybe.
Oh, we're
or
gonna
9.
check if there's anything happening.
Yeah, outside because
The whole week was quiet.
sobrang quiet dito sa mga bar.
Yeah.
Walang tao. May tao pero like 2 table lang. So, check namin baka ngayon medyo busy because it's Friday. Maybe some of them are going out or whatever. And hopefully there's a northern line. I call it
Northern
lights aurora
Yes, we will wait for
tonight
them.
until they said 10 o'clock they're coming out.
Maybe.
Hopefully. So yeah.
And tomorrow is the last day.
Yeah. I don't know if we're gonna do vlog tomorrow because we just gonna do snowboard whole day. And I don't know. But let's see. See you guys. Peace.
Bye.